Hi everyone, Don from Powerhouse Solar here. We wanted to take a moment to spread a little awareness of something that's going on in the city of Reading regarding solar. So net metering is the program that makes it so that when you generate solar power, you overgenerate, you produce more power than you need, like say in the month of May or June when it's nice and sunny and the blue skies and cool weather, you're not using your air conditioner, your solar panels produce more than you need. All that extra production goes into the grid, and then in the wintertime when you can't produce as much as you need because it's cloudy, you pull off all that extra overproduction that you generated that's stored up to the grid, you pull off and you use. And then so that you get switched onto this yearly thing where it's an even trade-off back and forth, even trade-off all year long, and then once a year you settle it, how much extra did you use, how much extra did you produce, or whatever. It's settled once a year. Well, City of Reading only had to do that until they reached a certain number of solar customers, and now they don't have to do that anymore. So they're proposing, like last city, as far as we're aware, they came out with this last month, and they're trying to vote on it next Tuesday. And as far as we're aware, they haven't asked for the input from like the homeowners, from solar industry, from consumers, solar customers. They haven't asked for any input. They're just trying to move forward with this plan. And we understand that there's a problem. They have to fix a problem, but we don't think this is the best route for fixing it, is to just completely throw it out. So if you have solar in the wintertime, it's just going to be sitting there. You know, it's not going to be generating the power that you need. You're going to have to buy your power from the city of Reading. So what they're proposing is that in May, or any kind of month where you're overproducing, you're just going to get cashed out at 3.8 cents per kilowatt hour. And then in the winter months when you need the power, you can buy it from them at 15.24 cents per kilowatt hour. So it's not exactly a fair kilowatt hour for kilowatt hour trade-off, and it's making it so that solar is just not financially feasible. And so it's not only is it affecting the solar customers in the future, or as of August 6th is what they're trying to make it, but they're also trying to make it by 2025, all the current solar customers will be in that same boat. So that's what they're trying to propose and move forward with on next Tuesday. And I don't know what the answer is, but we don't feel like that's the answer, and we want them to take the time to develop an answer that's more fair. So if you are in the solar industry, if you have solar, if you've considered solar, if you know somebody, if you just care about the rights of the citizens of Reading, we ask you to please show up at 777 Cypress downtown at the City Hall in the City Council chambers to let your voice be heard, and let the City Council know that you do not think this is the best idea to move forward with. So anyway, thank you very much.